Good evening, children. Let's see the answer for the question of Samir's business. So, following balances and information are relevant for Samir's business for the year ended 31/3/2020. Material stock 1/4/2019. Finished stock 1/4/2019. It means opening. Purchase of material 10% VAT inclusively. Carried inwards. Direct wages. Direct wages is not given here. Question mark. Direct wages is not given means as it is a part of the prime cost, and here in this list of balances prime cost is also given if the other components of the prime cost is given, and on the other hand if the prime cost is also given, it is not a big issue for us to find out the direct wages. And material stock 31/3/2020, royalty expenses, and royalty expenses being the other direct expenses. Prime cost is given as I mentioned earlier. Indirect material cost, indirect labor cost, machinery depreciation, indirect other expenses, decrease of the work in progress. Decrease of the work in progress. It means, children, if the opening work in progress is 100, if we assume as 100, the closing work in progress must be 50, because decrease of the work in progress within the year from opening comparatively to the opening work in progress, closing work in progress has decreased by 50. That is the meaning of decrease of the work in progress. So according to that, if the opening work in progress is 100, closing work in progress must be 50. So we have to adjust only the net impact. It is 50. It means opening work in progress is greater than closing work in progress. So we have to, as the opening work in progress is greater than closing work in progress, we have to add the net of work in progress to the total cost of production. So the next item is finished stock 31/3/2020, sales 10%, VAT inclusively, distribution expenses and administration expenses. Those are the figures you are given. Required, number 1, a statement of computing cost of production for the year ended 31/3/2020. Second one, income statement for the year ended 31/3/2020. So let's draw up the answer like this. Statement of cost of production for the year ended 31/3/2020. First, material stock 80 and purchases of material 100. Purchases of material 110 has been given, 10% VAT inclusively, but we know we can't take this 110 as it includes 10% VAT. So the VAT included in this purchase of material is 10,000. It should be removed from this one. Purchase of material purchase account credit, VAT control account debits. When we make that double entry, that 10,000 is removed from purchase of material. Then the actual purchases of raw material is 100,000. So purchase of material 100,000. The next one is carriage inwards. Carriage inwards we made here regarding purchases and transportation of material 20. So it should be added to purchases of material. So 120,000 is taken to the second column. 80 plus 120,000, 200,000. Material closing stock less material stock 31/3/2020, 70. So closing material stock is 70 as it is given in the question, as it is given in the sum. It should be subtracted. And when the material closing stock is subtracted 70,000, we receive 130,000. That is known as the cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed or material cost. So that is one of the component of prime cost. We know the component of prime cost is material cost, direct material cost, direct labor cost and other direct expenses. And direct wages is not given, so we have to draw it up as a blank box till we find it out. Royalty we know, other direct expense 10,000, we have to write it here, and prime cost 200 has been given. As it is given, we have to write it. When you write prime cost 200,000 and the material cost of material consumed 130, it should be written, and other direct expenses also 10,000 also should be written. When you write all these things, then we will get